Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.